Meaning of eldercare.
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 Eldercare. Eldercare refers to the provision of support and assistance to senior citizens who may require help with daily activities or medical care. This type of care can be provided in various settings, such as a person's home, a nursing home, or an assisted living facility. Eldercare can also include emotional and social support to combat feelings of isolation or depression. The goal of eldercare is to enable older adults to maintain their independence and quality of life as they age. It plays an essential role in ensuring a healthy and aging population.